Hi everyone, my name is Deepak Kumar. Today I am coming with a new topic like we need to fetch the records of the employee ID. But there is some condition. What is that condition? Is that key we have the employee ID which is from 2 to 10. But while we are fetching the price for their employee ID, so it is containing the more employee ID which is not present in our data. So we need to check that what will happen if we are fetching the non-matching records from the employee table via Vlookup or SUMIF. Let's see how can we fetch this value. So first we will use the Vlookup, and the lookup value is our employee ID, and second argument is our table array. Inside the table array we have selected the employee ID full column, and third we have selected the table array. Now next argument is the column index number. We need to extract the price, so we just give the 3 and 0 as a exact match, and you will see that 3413 price has been this. Now copy and drag this formula in the below records, then you will find that key employee ID where is 14, it is giving has a name, and the matching records will give you the 5073 is a matching record has been successfully found. But what will happen if we are using the SUMIFs instead of VLOOKUP? Then use the SUMIFs. Using the SUMIF, the first criteria is used to give the sum range. So we have given the sum range and criteria. Second argument is criteria range. So criteria range is our employee ID, and criteria 1 is our employee ID. So now drag this formula in the remaining records. So you will find that where is non-matching record, the SUMIFs return the 0, and the matching record will exactly found those values. But why it is happened? It is just like when a match is not found, a VLOOKUP returns a has a name, while the SUMIFs, when non-matching criteria are found, SUMIFs return a 0 value. While unlike the VLOOKUP, SUMIFs does not return an error if no record match the criteria. It simply sums to 0. That's why it is happening. So thank you for watching this video.